Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ritesh Burden, and in this video I am going to tell you about one of the very important formal letters, the letter to the editor. But before we get into the example of that letter, let's first of all see what do we understand in general by letters. The most common form of written communication is the letter. The letters are written in a proper format, a format that goes with the latest conventions. Types of letters include informal letters and formal letters. Informal letters are the letters written to close associates, to close friends or relatives, to friends and relatives. The types of formal letters include number 1, application for job, then number 2, letters to the editor, and then number 3, business or official letters which are written for making inquiries, registering complaints, asking for and giving information, placing orders and sending replies. Friends, this is a very important video, as in this video I am going to share with you a complete format of a letter to the editor, and also I'll share with you what to write in such letters. A letter to the editor is a written way of talking to a newspaper, magazine or other regularly printed publication. Letters to the editor are generally found in the first section of the newspaper or towards the beginning of a magazine or in the editorial page. So now let's see how to write a letter to the editor. Let's discuss the complete format. Dear friends, please remember that you are supposed to use the names and addresses and the other details related to the letter that you are going to write from the question paper only. You are not supposed to reveal your own identity. In case the question in the question paper is saying that you are Mr. Rakesh Sinha, so in that case you have to be Mr. Rakesh Sinha and you have to write the letter as Mr. Rakesh Sinha. If the question says that you are a resident of 304 Kamla Nagar, Delhi, then you have to mention your address as 304 Kamla Nagar, Delhi. What I mean to say is that you are not going to write your own name or your own address. You will write the name and the address which are given in the question only. One more very important thing. Suppose you are asked in the question to write a letter to the editor of a national daily or to the editor of an English daily. In that case, you have to assume a name, and that name you will mention in place of a national daily or English daily, name of the newspaper. So now let's discuss the format of the letter to the editor in detail. Number 1, sender's address as given in the question paper. First of all, you will write the sender's address, and then number 2, date. Example, 24th May 20XX. If you write 24/5/20XX, that will be considered as a wrong format of date. So the correct format of the date is 24th May 20XX. Got it? Then number 3, receiver's address, again as it is given in the question paper. And then number 4, the fourth step is the subject. And then number 5, salutation. What you write in salutation? Dear sir or dear madam. And then the 6th step is the body of the letter. There can be other ways to start the body also, but I am talking about the body of a letter to the editor. And I would like to suggest you to always start the body of the letter as this letter to the editor as through the columns of your prestigious daily. I would like to ... and then you can add your content after that. So through the columns of your prestigious daily. And then the 7th point is ending. And what you do in ending, what you write: yours sincerely, yours faithfully, or yours truly. Then XYZ ABC, sender's name and designation same as given in the question paper. Dear friends, before we move further, I would like to make a humble request to all of you to kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you find this video helpful, please like this video and share it with your companions. The links to all my videos are given in the description box below. Please spare some time and explore my other videos too. So now let's study a sample of the letter to the editor. The word limit for all such letters is 120 to 150 words. This is a sample question of the letter to the editor. Letter to the editor. Let us read this question together. You are Rahul or Reshma, a resident of Vimal Apartments, Chhatarpur, Delhi. There is no bus stop within a radius of 1 kilometer from the apartments, causing a lot of inconvenience to the residents. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily, drawing attention of the authorities to this problem of the residents for rectification. Let us read it together. You are Rahul or Reshma, a resident of Vimal Apartments, Chhatarpur, Delhi. There is no bus stop within a radius of 1 kilometer from the apartments, causing a lot of inconvenience to the residents. Write a letter to the editor of a national daily, drawing attention of the authorities to this problem of the residents for rectification. This is the answer of the letter to the editor. So let us read this together. This is the sample. Please read it together. On the top, first of all, the sender's address, and here the sender's address is 342 Vimal Apartments, Chhatarpur, Delhi. Then the date in the given format, 4th July or 4 July 20 ... Then leave a line. After that you write the receiver's address, and here the receiver's address is the editor, the Times of India, Delhi. Leave a line. Then after that write subject, problem of bus stop. And then again, after leaving a line, write the salutation. The salutation here is Dear Sir. And then the body. Through the columns of your prestigious daily, I would like to draw the attention of DTC authorities to a very big problem being faced by the residents of Vimal Apartments, Chhatarpur, Delhi. There is no bus stop within a radius of 1 kilometer from the apartments. The residents have to walk a long distance to take any bus to anywhere in the city. Every morning, men and women can be seen running breathlessly to the different bus stops in or near Chhatarpur. It causes so much needless waste of time and energy. The authorities are requested to take immediate note of this problem of the residents. At least a few bus stops should be provided near the apartments so that no resident has to walk more than 100 meters to catch a bus. This problem has been reported to the concerned authorities, but the action is still awaited. Hope this letter will bring some change in the situation. Yours truly, Rahul. this is the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your companions. Thank you so much for watching.